Hello everyone, welcome to the cook menu. This is your boy Isaac. Today we're gonna have something different from Ghana, and it's called Bayere Fufu and Gyingaazi soup. Alright, so let's just take a look at our ingredients. And then this is our beautiful lady. She's the one who is going to take us through this food. So these are our ingredients. As you can see, we have our fish, we have our onion, we have our pepper, we have our ginger, and then I think we have our meat. And then this is our blended, a very dry okra. Blended dried okra. Alright, so these are our ingredients. We are in the process of making the Gyingaazi. What is it called?
Gyingaazi.
Gyingaazi. The Bayere Fufu, this is what we have. We have our yam, and then we have our cassava. And now she's going into the process of making the soup, the Gyingaazi. And so before she makes the Gyingaazi, she's going to blend her ingredients, which are the onion, the garlic, the mako, which is the pepper, and then the ginger together. And so she's in the process of doing that. This is our soup. We have different kinds of fish and then meat inside it. So we have our chicken, we have our salmon, our meat, and we have something called kako. It's inside. Kako is a salted fish, and so we have that also inside. And so the two of and so hey. Okay, so viewers, we have our soup on the stove. Whilst we have our soup, we are going to get our cassava and then the yam ready. What I can see, she's now mixing up her tomato paste, right? And so she's going to add the tomato paste inside the soup to steam the meat and then the fish. So, this is our 2 tomatoes being added to the soup, and so we're going to leave it on, right? Okay. Alright, so that is our cassava in the baking. Alright. She's now making the yam also ready. Remember, we are making pounded yam. In Nigeria, they will say pounded yam, and so it's yam fufu. And this is found in the Brong Ahafo region of Ghana. This is their favorite food, as a matter of fact. This is their favorite food. Before we have our pounded yam, we have to mix our cassava. And so before, you could see that she was in the process of making the cassava ready. And now she is also peeling off the yam. And it's going to be mixed together to make it very sticky. You know, every film, the Bayere and Ahafo, so all citizens. This is our yam and our cassava. It is well washed, and then we're going to leave this on the stove for a while. And we are not going to add salt, there will be no salt added. Alright, so that is our yam. Meanwhile, we still have our soup on the stove. Alright, it has been on the stove for a while. So that is also going to be. And are you going to add this?
Gyingaazi.
So this is the Gyingaazi that we are going to add. Alright? Alright, and so we are adding our Gyingaazi into the soup.
Oh, Akadumia Yechi.
your salt, and she doesn't measure the salt, that the amount of salt that she's going to add. And so we have our salt inside there right now. Okay, that's great. That's cool. Our soup is ready. Alright, and I have to leave on the stove for long because when you put the Gyingaazi, right?
Yeah.
You don't have to leave it on for a while.
And then they easy.
And then?
And then they easy. Now I'm very more fortunate that. Okay.
Okay. Try to do the try it. I'm going to try it. Just a little bit. I don't need much.
I say me be na bro for na walk on, na bro for na walk on. The man say me na bro for na walk on. What say? I love you. I can't force so say more do. I say me na bro for na walk on.
This is an okra dish. It's coming from Brong Ahafo region of Ghana. So Brong Ahafo is somehow like a center of Ghana. So that is your favorite food. Fufu. I would not even sit down to try it. Let me just have the taste. Somehow hot. I'm sorry you have to let it cool down before you put your hands in. Alright? Okay. Wow! The food tastes so great, more than I expected, trust me. Let me have another more dish. Very delicious. The food is so delicious. Can you say it right now? Let me try my fish. You wouldn't get this kind of food anywhere but Ghana, in Brong Ahafo region. But right now this food has been dominated everywhere, right? We do this in the Ashanti region, we do this in the Greater Accra region, in the Central region, we do this in, all the regions in Ghana. And so the Pounded Yam and the what? Gyingaazi soup.
Yeah.
Please subscribe to the channel, the cook menu, and you will know the process of how we go through to make Ghanaian foods and all other countries' food. Thank you so much for staying with us. Bye bye.